Hi there, Montessori parents and educators. Today, we're making a classic Montessori material, dressing frames. These hands-on tools help young children develop fine motor skills and independence through practical life activities. Dressing frames are designed to teach kids how to fasten buttons, zippers, snaps, and more. You can easily make your own at home with a few simple materials. Materials needed 8 by 8 or 10 by 10-inch wooden embroidery hoop or picture wooden frame. Fabric squares, cotton, felt, or canvas work best. Fasteners, buttons, zippers, Velcro, snaps, or laces. Scissors, thread, and a needle or sewing machine. Hot glue gun, optional. Pro tip: if you use gently used toddler clothes, you will skip a step. First, cut 2 equal fabric squares, slightly larger than your frame, to allow for folding and sewing. Next, sew or glue your chosen fastener to the center of the fabric. Make sure it's secure so little hands can practice opening and closing it. If you are using used toddler clothes, you can skip this step. Now, attach the fabric to the frame, ensuring it's taut and well positioned. If you're using a hoop, tighten it around the fabric to hold it in place. Trim any extra fabric, and voila! Your Montessori dressing frame is ready for little learners to practice with. Making your own dressing frames is a great way to bring Montessori learning into your home or classroom. Try different fasteners to challenge your child's skills and help them gain confidence and self-care. Want more DIY Montessori activities? Like and follow for more hands-on learning ideas.